Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. The Google released a new experimental image generation capabilities, Gemini 2.0 Flash for native image generation. So, what's so special about the Gemini 2.0 Flash here? So, unlike the other multimodal LLM, the Gemini 2.0 Flash comes with a new surprise here. So what is that? So if you wanted to uh, interact with the images to the multimodal, we all know, right? You give the image and started and text, it's understand the image and it's gonna tells you about like where what place the image is all about, and it's understand your text and it generate you the output as a text or image once. But unlike the other multimodal Gemini 2.0, it's interact with your image and it's gonna create this image and it's gonna edit the images as well. So that's excites me today here. So let's gonna go with the simple. You upload an image, and you know the image, and then you ask like make the horse color to black and white, and starting in a field of yellow flowers. So the Gemini 2.0 Flash, it's understand that, and it quickly changes to for me. And the more exciting to me, to unlike the other models, if you ask to generate a storytelling for your kids, it generate you the text. But this Flash 2.0 is gonna generate the text as well as a very imaginative images here, which you're looking on the screen. When I ask the storytelling for the for kids, it's understand that, and it's gonna generate with the text and images, right? So unlike the other models, it's only generate the text, or it's not gonna generate with the image. But it's 2.0, it's gonna do that both. And I'm gonna talk about the architecture, how it's gonna done from a user prompt, when he write the prompt and how it's happening. I'm gonna I'm gonna show that high level architecture view for that as well. So unlike the conversational image editing, so all you need is to go upload your image and give you a prompt like, hey, can you add some flowers in the table, to the table, right? So it's understand, and it generate the flower once. So, or because I just inform the prompt to add more flowers to the table, but it's understand like where and it has to be put, and it changes the color of the flowers as well. And if you are giving to it, it's understand that, and it's gonna gives you with a kind of results once. So let here as well. So when it comes to here, I'm gonna walk through it like how the user prompt, and from there how it's been interacting into the Gemini 2.0 Flash. But to the people who are wanted to be simplified, once when the user has given the prompt, it's gonna make a post call to the functional calling the Gemini Flash server, which in the middle they have the API gateway, and it's going to take the JSON format, which multipart from the data, and it send it back to the Gemini 2.0 Flash in phrasing, and it's handle the JSON back, and it's gonna send you. It's understand your text and image extraction into the file once, and it's get your request and it's process the request in, and it's gonna comes to one. So I created a kind of like a children's story generator one. So if you look at here, I'm gonna reload that, and let's see. So if you wanted to generate any kind of app, so you need to know a few things like how the app should looks like and who is your specific audience here, right? I have the Gemini API key, and I done pretty interesting. They can change it into the adventure, friendship, nature, and learning, and its main storytelling, the character which you wanted, and the moral of the story, and the additional one here. So if you write it here, um, slow and steady. So the moment if I done that, it's understand, right. I need to give the key here. So I pasted my key, and unfortunately for this application. But don't worry, I have the collab notebook as well for you to on. So let me explain the code. I'm gonna share it into my YouTube channel in the description of this video as well. So it's Streamlit UI app. So it has to be request the API, and then age group, theme, character, and which Gemini model it has to be hit, which is like Flash 2.0, what is a color CSS format, and the header details are shared. And as I said, the architecture wise, you need to be differentiate into the like into your JSON structure to here. Otherwise, like it's not able to understand properly, and you have to send those tests and images together for this one, and it's gonna get you the responses back to you. So unlike the other models, it's understand only text, but 2.0 it's generate you the text and image to you for your storytelling. So let's do it into the collab. Okay, so it comes to the collab. So pip install, and it's gonna install the Gemini, Google Gemini. Once that's nothing but your a fast API request to your to Flash server of 2.0 model, and you share your key here, and you paste your key, and then write a prompt saying like generate a story about a cute baby turtle in a 3D digital style. For each 6 key scene, generate an image. So that's how in the response it has to use the Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental model here, and I use the import those images into the display. So let's given the prompt, and let's see it right how it's generated those images. Wow, it's amazing. So once upon a time, Nana still in a bed of soft, mossy grass beside a sparkling blue pond. So live and tiny baby turtle named Pip. Pip was no longer than a strawberry with a shell. Right. So it's understand. It's generated the image. So it's a very interesting way you interacted with your kids in your storytelling, and you can change that, whichever the language which you wanted, and whichever the adventure friendship ones, and you can generate the images and the storybooks and download it, and share to your toddler, and make his imagination into the next level of the imagination. And I'm gonna share those collab notebook and code GitHub details in my YouTube description. And I hope you like this video. So look at this turtle is eating strawberries. It's really cool. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe for more video content. Thank you.